Everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm gonna share with you a classic creamy macaroni fruit salad recipe. This is super yum and very delicious. So it's just full of flavors. Everyone should love it. So just let's get started. So starting with the boiled pasta and macaroni, take some apple cubes and banana pieces. Now I'm gonna add red kidney beans, जिनको हम सुर्ख लोबिया भी बोलते हैं, और boiled white chickpeas. Right too. So next I'm gonna add yogurt, that should be half kg as you required. 1 cup of mayonnaise. इसको अच्छी तरह से हम दोनों को मिक्स करेंगे. या दिस इज चिली सॉस, दैट शुड बी 2 tablespoon. 2 tablespoon आपने इसको लेना है. और दिस इज 1/4 teaspoon ब्लैक पेपर. या नाउ मिक्स वेल. अच्छी तरह से आपने इसको मिक्स कर लेना है बिकॉज वी आर गोना ऐड this in all these ingredients. Yeah, now mix well to get its exact flavor. So friends, now I'm gonna keep it in refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes. At the end, I'm gonna put some homemade tamarind sauce. This is very essential sauce for this salad. So if you want to know how to make this sauce, then don't worry about it. You can easily find this detailed video on my channel by the name tamarind sauce. So I will also describe its ingredient in my description box, so you can follow me on my Insta page to know its fully ingredients. So yeah, this is just like I was expecting. So guys, this is gonna be my dinner tonight. So just give it a try, and I'm sure that you would love it. So if you love it and if you like it, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell button below and must give me your feedback. So thank you so much. Keep me remember your prayers. Take care of yourself.